Hello, my dear students. Welcome to our St. Xavier's School YouTube channel. Today, I am once again in front of you with a new video of a new chapter. Today, I am going to explain a very interesting story from English Reader book of class 3rd. Before going to the topic, I am requesting to you all please subscribe our channel St. Xavier's School Hardoi. If you like our video, like it, share it, and don't forget to press the bell icon for getting more videos. Children, let's start our chapter The Flying Elephant. It is a very interesting story. It is a folktale of Manipur which seems difficult to believe. But such stories are used to for a lesson. Children, now you must be thinking about folktale. Children, I want to tell you about folktale. Folktales are stories that people or cultures all over the world made up over the years based on their lives and imagination. They are closely related to many story traditionals, including fables, myth, and fairy tales. I will start. Once upon a time, a dead body of elephant was laying in a jungle, which was killed after being bitten by honeybees. Some eagles were eating the intestines of the dead elephant, making holes inside the stomach of the dead elephant. Okay, where did the elephant's dead body lie? Jungle. Where? Jungle. Okay. As the eagle were eating continuously, once the sun shined so bright that the torn part and the holes of the dead elephant's stomach became hard like a saddle, and the eagle could not fly out. Hence, the eagles remained inside the stomach of the elephant. Meanwhile, a man who performed pala came towards the jungle. Children, now you will think what is pala? Then I want to tell you what is pala. Pala can art from of Manipuri dance and song mostly performed in special occasions such as marriage ceremony, death ceremony and other ritual. He saw the elephant laying on the ground and to confirm if it's dead or alive, the man played his shovel. Shovel means a musical instrument. Who performed the pala? A man. Who performed the pala? A man. Okay. The man played his jowl, making the sound of gwai gwai. Listening to the musical sound of the jowl, the eagles, which were inside the elephant, flew up with fear and hence made the elephant fly for a bite and fell down on the earth. Once again, the man played the instrument and the elephant flew higher but fell down again. The man found it interesting and hence he hopped on elephant along with his luggage and played his jowl and the elephant started flying. Okay, while enjoying the ride on the elephant, the man had an idea. I will take this elephant to the king. If possible, I will sell it to him. Okay, next page. And thus he brought the elephant toward the palace. He was flying around the palace. Everyone came outside their houses and looked at the miraculous flying object. The man came to know that the king and the queen, along with the ministers, came out of the palace. Looking at the elephant, he slowly took down the elephant towards the ground. The king came near the man and said, I will buy your flying elephant in exchange of big bags of gold. The man gave the elephant along with his shovel, and taking the big bags of gold, he quickly ran away to his home. The king was terribly happy to get the flying elephant and called all his ministers and servants to show his elephant. Later, the king, along with his queen, prepared to go for a trip riding on the elephant. The elephant was fully decorated. The queen was dressed with a luxurious dress, and thus king sat on the right side and the queen on the left side on top of elephant. The king started playing the instrument Guvai Guvai, and the elephant started flying up. People waved hand to the king and the queen from earth. With the sound of jawal and the noise of the people, the eagles which were inside the elephant became more scared and flew higher and higher. They flew up, touching the cloud, and as they go higher, the king's pride become higher, nor stop playing the jawal. The queen, with her jumbled hair, was tightly hold on to the king, so as to not fall off. As the elephant continuously flew into the sky, they touched the clouds layer on the sky. Afterwards, the torn part of the elephant, which had earlier become hard like a saddle, became smoother, and slowly the holes got opened up. The eagle that were inside the elephant found the hole to come out of the elephant, and one by one started flying out of the elephant's body. And later on, the elephant, which was earlier flying in the sky, flew down towards the earth. The stingy and foolish, stingy means miserly. The stingy and foolish king fell down on earth along with his queen and lost their lives. So, kids, what do we learn from this story? Fools after fall in the trap of wise persons, and thus king fell in the trap of the wise Bala singer, and not only lost his treasures but also lost his life along with the queen. Okay, I hope you all have learned from this story. Children, we will learn these difficult words with their correct meaning. First is swooped, which means moved quickly downwards through the air. Means a very rapid ride. Next one is confirm, which means make sure. Next, miserly, which means I told you, stingy, not wanting to spend. Okay. Next, miraculous, which means magical. Okay, student? Children, now we can better understand this chapter through an activity. Let's come to the activity. Take the correct option. Children, first one is who performed the pala? Who performed? Number 1, the king, and number 2, a man. Who performed? Think. A man. Correct option is a man. Okay. Next, who was inside elephant's stomach? Who was inside? Eagles and crow. Hmm? Correct option is eagles. Okay. Next, who saw the dead body of the elephant? The queen, a man. A man is correct option. Okay. Now this activity is over.